In this Tempus600 tutorial video, we want to show you the cleaning procedure for the Tempus600 Necto. We recommend to be 2 persons to do the cleaning procedure. One at the receiving end to press the TM002 terminal at the Tempus receiving control, and one at the sending station to send the cleaning sponges. You need a cleaning kit from Sarsted APS consisting of a filter bag, cleaning sponges and ActiChlor tablet. For cleaning you also need a liter of water and a container. Dissolve the ActiChlor tablet completely in the water before starting the cleaning process. Put the cleaning sponges in the cleaning solution. Make sure the cleaning sponges are wet by squeezing and releasing them in the cleaning solution 3 times. Now you can start the cleaning process. The cleaning procedure starts at the terminal in the receiving end. At the terminal, choose the specific system for cleaning. Now we want to clean one specific Necto station, and that's Necto 1. You have to be logged in as a user for doing the cleaning procedure. Log in as user with the password 9041, enter and log in. And then press the cleaning icon. Here you have the option to choose between normal cleaning and blood spill cleaning if you have had a blood spill. When choosing both normal cleaning and blood spill cleaning, the Necto will continue to send the samples already in the pipeline and then stop for the cleaning process. We will demonstrate the normal cleaning. Select normal cleaning and go to the receiving station. In the receiving end you have 2 options, either the Tempus600 receiving tray or you can have the Tempus600 connection module. At the receiving station, open the door on the side, remove the pipe from the pipeline you wish to clean, attach the filter bag instead and ensure that the top of the filter bag is securely fastened. Acknowledge that the filter bag is put on the TM002 receiving terminal, and now the specific Necto sending module is ready for sending cleaning sponges. In this case we have chosen to clean the sending module number 1. Behind the door there's the pushing rod which is needed for the Necto cleaning procedure. Take the pushing rod out. The pushing rod must be adjusted to either up or short for the 2 upper sending modules or down or long for the 2 lower sending modules. Remove the cover above the sending station inlets. Gently squeeze one sponge and put the sponge into the hole in the specific inlet. Use the adjusted pushing rod to push down the cleaning sponge into the sending module to make sure that the cleaning sponge is in the correct position. Press Send Sponge on the Necto screen and the cleaning sponge will be sent to the receiving end in the filter bag. When cleaning sponge is sent to the receiving end, the icon on the Necto terminal will show Send Sponge, and now the text Cleaning Sponge can be sent by repeating the cleaning process until all the cleaning sponges are sent. When the cleaning has finished, put the inlet cover back on and put the pushing rod back in the Necto and go to the receiving end to complete the cleaning procedure. When all cleaning sponges are sent from the sending station and all cleaning sponges are received at the receiving end, stop the cleaning process on TM002 terminal by pressing the Stop Cleaning icon. Go to the receiving station and remove the filter bag. Put the pipe back in again. It's important that the end of the pipe labeled top is up and that the pipe is pressed all the way into the holding bracket. Acknowledge back off on the Tempus600 receiving terminal TM002. Please remember to log out as a user by pressing the user icon. Press Home to go to the overview. Now you can see the specific Necto is ready for sending sample tubes again.